Welcome class 8. Today's topic is floating and sinking. So you may have noticed this kind of thing. So here a leaf is floating on the surface of water. So a body is said to be floating in a liquid when it is on the surface of the liquid or just below it. So if it floats, then it will be on the surface or little below the surface. And if the body is inside the liquid, if any object is inside the liquid, then we say a body is said to be sinking when it goes to the bottom of the container containing the liquid and remains there. So here the picture shows that the stones are getting inside the liquid. The liquid over here is water. This means they are sinking. They are below the surface of the water. So the objects that float on water, usually we find that paper, wood, feather, even oil and empty plastic bottles can float easily on water. And the objects that can sink in water are stones, bricks, marbles, even glass and coins. These are the objects which can easily sink in water. So the question arises, what makes an object float or sink? So if we take the two objects like the object and the liquid, so here the object, if the object has the density which is less than the density of the liquid, then the object will not sink but it will float. So if the density of the object is less than that of the liquid, then it will float. So here this is the wood, and the density of wood is less than density of water. That's why wood will float on water. Okay, and similarly, if you take any metal object, okay, and if you try to place it on water, then it will go down and it will sink. Here the metal object will sink because its density is more than the density of water. So if the density of the object is greater than that of the liquid, then it will sink.